Passion is not what you love. Yes, you heard me right. Welcome to Top 90 segment with Onyi Nnebedum. Alright, I was talking about passion. We have been told that passion is what we love, but in reality, that is not true. Because even from its origin, the word passion means suffer. So passion is not what you love. Instead, it is what you are willing to suffer for what you love. Let me use career to illustrate. Let's suppose that I see in the society people that are in a bad state of health, and I wanted to help them, to bring them out of that situation. And then I asked, and they told me the only way you can help these people is to become a medical doctor, is to study medicine. But I don't like medicine as a career. Now, because I love them and I want to help them out, even though I don't like medicine as a career, I will choose to go through it because it will help me at the end of the day to rescue these people that I love. So you see, it is what you are willing to suffer for what you love or who you love to rejoice or to enjoy. So in our society today, they have told us to follow what we love. No, that's not what passion means. Passion means what you are willing to suffer for what you love, not what you love. I hope you got the point. This is Thoughts Mining segment with Onyi. Follow me for more.